In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an AutoCAD plan into SketchUp, a handy skill that combines the precision of AutoCAD with the versatile 3D modeling capabilities of SketchUp. To get started, you will first need to have your AutoCAD file ready to go. Once you've ensured that everything is prepared, let's dive right into the process. When you open SketchUp, take note of the top left corner of the interface. This is where you'll find the File menu, your gateway to importing, exporting, and managing your projects. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu, then direct your attention slightly down the list to locate and click on Import. This action will allow you to bring external files into your SketchUp workspace. You'll then be prompted to select the file you wish to import. Browse your computer files to find where you've saved your AutoCAD plan. Make sure you select the right file by double-checking the file name so there are no unexpected surprises later on. Once you've found the correct file, select it and confirm your choice by clicking Open. Don't worry if it takes a moment for the file to upload, since SketchUp is processing your request. Now, here's where the magic happens. SketchUp will begin loading up all the intricate details of your AutoCAD drawing into its environment. This transition from a 2D CAD plan to a 3D SketchUp space is one of the most exciting parts of the process. Depending on the complexity of your drawing, this might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. It's a good time to be patient and let the software do its work, as it converts the finely drawn lines of your CAD file into the SketchUp format. When the import is complete, you'll find your AutoCAD plan now living within SketchUp's 3D environment. This integration allows you to switch from traditional 2D plans to versatile 3D models that you can rotate, zoom, and interact with in ways that a static blueprint never could. Now you're ready to unleash your creativity by transforming and editing the design as a 3D model, whether you're working on architectural designs, urban planning, or any other field that benefits from a 3D perspective. Remember, once your plan is imported, make sure to save your SketchUp project frequently to avoid losing any progress. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches should any technical issues arise. Happy modeling! And until next time, continue to explore the limitless possibilities of integrating CAD and SketchUp in your creative workflow.